Here is how to deactivate Badoo account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can deactivate your Badoo account. So let's start. First of all, open the Badoo app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now tap on the profile icon that you can see on the bottom right hand side. After that, tap on the settings icon on the top. Now tap on account. Then you will get an interface like this. Now there are two ways by which you can deactivate your Badoo account. The first option is hiding your account. The hide account option is like temporarily deactivating your account. Other people on the platform won't be able to see your account, but whenever you want to make your profile public again, you can simply uncheck the hide account option and make your profile go public. So in order to temporarily deactivate your Badoo account, you can enable the hide account option. However, if you want to permanently deactivate your Badoo account, then you will have to delete your account as a whole. For that, tap on delete account. Then after, select delete your account from the bottom of the list. After that, you will have to specify a reason why you are deleting your account and then tap on delete account. As you do that, your Badoo account will be permanently deleted, which is the same as deactivating your account permanently. So in this way, you can deactivate your Badoo account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.